If you do not have access to a foam roller, a yoga block, or anything that is leg or knee width or height, you can stack the other knee underneath the top knee, but you will lose range of motion in the overhead portion of this exercise. Speaking of range of motion, I want you to only go as far as you can without letting that knee come off of the foam roller, yoga block, or other leg if you're doing the stacked version. This is going to keep you from rotating your hips and using only your upper body, so your thoracic mobility, to reach the end range of motion. Speaking of end range of motion, I want you to go only as far as you can without the knee coming up off the foam roller. That is the most important factor of this movement. The purpose of this movement is to really focus on the rotation of the thoracic spine and open up that upper body into the end range of motion, as well as working on shoulder stability and mobility while trying to keep the fingertips on the floor. If you have never tried this exercise, give yourself the grace to learn the movement and get the reps in. As always, don't push past any pain, and remember to breathe.